Hi everyone, welcome to Tamang Kitchen. I'm Kumari. Today I'm going to show you guys. It's really healthy and super easy recipe. It has lots of vitamin and then minerals, nutritious laddu I'm going to make for you guys. Let's start without delay. Guys, I have taken hazelnut 500 gram, and then you can see these types of hazelnut I have taken, and then just wash it properly and drain it all the water, and then roast until become like a crispy, and then separate the skin. And now time to chop the hazelnut. You can grind, you can chop, however I'm going to use chopper and then grind into coarse powder. You can see it's really easy. If you grind directly into the blender, your blender will be grinder will be little bit hot, so make sure before grind the hazelnut, just chop into the chopper. Now you can see already chop into coarse powder. You can make coarse powder laddu also, but I'm going to make it fine powder. Now let's transfer into the blender. Also I'm going to use brown sugar. I have taken 8 teaspoon brown sugar using this plastic spoon. Guys, for the sugar, up to you guys. If you don't want to use the sweetness in your laddus, then you can skip totally, up to you guys. You can use jaggery, white sugar, brown sugar. This one is brown sugar. If you have jaggery is more healthy than sugar, you can use the jaggery. Now I have added brown sugar and then hazelnut coarse powder. Now grind into become a powder. You can see guys, already grind. So oil has come from the hazelnut, it doesn't matter, it's perfect. Now let's transfer into the bowl and then grind remaining coarse powder. Guys, if you like this video, then please share to your family or friends. Please do not forget to share and then forward my video to your friends. If you wish, they can also eat this healthy, super healthy laddu, then please forward my video to your friends. Now add remaining coarse powder and then sugar and grind. Guys, this is super healthy. I'm going to make it laddu, so without video I was going to make, but suddenly I remember this is really healthy. I should share video with you guys. That's why I started before roasting roasting the hazelnut is I didn't shoot because I was making laddu. So suddenly I remember why not to share this super healthy laddus video. So I have bring for you guys this video. Make sure you wash the hazelnut and then roast properly and then separate the skin, and then you have seen guys how easy and super healthy laddu you can prepare at home without no time. Guys, it's already grind, so at this time you can add your favorite ghee, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon, up to you guys. Also you can make without adding ghee also. Guys, I'm going to show 2 types, without ghee and then with ghee also. Now let's mix together. Make sure the sugar mix everything together nicely into the mixture. Now just hold the laddu mixture. How big laddu you want, that's up to you guys. I'm going to make small lotus, so I have prepared around 35 lotus. Now you can use both hand or one hand, however you feel comfortable. Just make the lotus. Guys, it's ready, one lotus, you can see. Until now I didn't add the ghee, but I will show you guys adding ghee also. Now repeat the process. Guys, up to you how sweetness you need. You can adjust the sugar. Guys, this lattu is super healthy. You can prepare if you want more and then keep in the refrigerator, and then whenever time you want to eat, just you can eat. Guys, I have added 1 tablespoon Amul ghee. Now let's mix everything together. Make sure ghee mix nicely into the mixture, and then make it lotus. Guys, it's really easy to make. My recipe is always really easy and also tasty. Please follow my recipe. I have upload many videos. You can try that one also. Recently I have uploaded chicken samosa videos, so if you haven't watched, please watch that video and try chicken samosa. It was really soft, crispy. So if you like, then please share my video, and then do not forget to like. If you are visiting first time, make sure subscribe and press bell icon. Now lattu are ready. You can see it's perfect, and then I'm going to decorate lattus using rose petal. Guys, it looks really beautiful, and then you can see it's amazing. Wow. Guys, try this lotus and do not forget to comment if you are making lotus, and then how is your lotus turn out. Let me know in the comment box. See you next time. Bye bye everyone.